Hello, it's Monica and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new collection from Relatively Thoughtful and how to create this super simple rocker card for a baby boy. Now you can have a look at the whole collection and all the elements to fussy cut. The collection is called The Magic of Childhood, and in the description down below I left a link to the collection, so if you're interested you can download it and create beautiful projects. As you can see, the collection has absolutely stunning background papers and designs which you can use for a variety of projects, including mixed media. I love that vintage style here, and especially all those photos in black and white here. Super beautiful. And what's really good about this collection, it also has some sentiments in different colors, and you probably guessed it, there are some butterflies as well, which I absolutely adore. And I think this collection is just so pretty. And when I saw that rocking horse, I thought, yes, I have to create a rocker card with this collection straight away. It is so beautiful and versatile. So when you can see all those design papers, I had a look and I chose two beautiful elements to fussy cut. And I'm going to start with that beautiful element, and as you can see, it has some hearts in blue, but the other one has hearts in pink color. So for this project, I decided to create a card for a baby boy. That's why I've got some blue elements here. It is super simple. You don't really need any cutting dies to cut all those images. And I'm going to show you a trick how to cut that horse as well. Now that teddy bear is simply gorgeous. When I saw it, I thought it has to be on my first card. It is so beautiful and it really reminds me about my first teddy bear. I wonder, do you still remember your first teddy bear? If you do, please let me know in the comments down below. How did it look like and why did you like it? Now I'm going to fussy cut that pillow heart. It is so gorgeous, and what I absolutely love about this collection, all the elements match beautifully, and it is so simple to create very easy and beautiful projects. To cut that horse, I decided to have a cutting mat and a craft knife. I think it is the easiest way to actually cut all those small elements inside. And whenever you use a craft knife, be very careful because you don't want to cut your fingers. And when these are ready, I'm going to use scissors and cut around that horse. I wonder, have you actually ever created a card for a baby boy or baby girl? If you have, what style of card did you create? I'm really curious, and actually I'm looking for some inspiration, so it would be amazing if you can leave a link to your creation. I would absolutely love to see it. And I also wonder, what do you think about this collection? Do you think it's good for any makes for babies? Or would you like to use it for something else? Please let me know, because if you do have some ideas, I can use them in my future videos. When all these elements are ready, we have to create a base for the card. And to do it, I'm going to use 300 GSM white stamping card because it is very thick and perfect for any card bases. I don't really have any circle nesting dies, so I'm going to use that circle cutter. And to do it, you need a cutting mat, not to cut your surface. As you can see, it has a protection here, and you can actually use that slide here to measure how big your circle will be, and you can do it in literally any shape you want. As you can see, I check first if my circle will actually fit on the card, and then I'm moving it around so it cuts perfect circle. When this is ready, I decided to have a look at all the collection, and I chose one of the design papers, and this time I'm going to cut only from the top because I need literally half of a circle, which is semicircle, because that will be my background panel for the card. So I have to make sure that it is slightly smaller than my card base, and I'm going to cut super simple. And I wonder, do you actually have circle cutter in your stash? If you do, how often do you use? Please let me know. So now, when that panel is ready, we have to fold that base in half. You can always use a bone folder just to make sure that fold is really nice and crisp. And our base is done, so we have to attach that beautiful background panel. However, to add a little bit more interest and color, first I'm going to distress this with my blade of scissors, and I'm going to add a little bit of color using Distress Oxide ink in Broken China. I also wanted to tell you that if you're interested in any products I use in today's video, everything is in the description down below. So yes, you can check it if you want. As you can see, I'm using a scrap piece of paper for ink blending because I didn't want to clean my glass surface. I also chose one of the sentiments, and this one says welcome to the world, and I think it's just so beautiful and gorgeous for this project. If you have ever created a card for a baby, what sentiment did you use? Please let me know. When we've got all those elements ready, it is time to assemble them. And I've got my magic glue, liquid glue, because it is perfect for literally any paper craft projects. You do have time to maneuver all those elements and it dries clear. Now I have to turn my base and cut the excess off. Super quick and simple. So our base is ready, and just to make sure that some of the elements stand out even more on our card, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive. And a very big tip for you, if you want some of the elements to stand out even more, use 2 layers of double-sided tape. It is super simple, but it really makes a difference, especially with those quick projects. And I wonder, how often do you actually use double-sided foam adhesive to make sure that your elements really pop? Please let me know. And maybe you do have your favorite brand of double-sided foam adhesive, so I can check it. When this is ready, I'm going to peel off the backing, and using a few drops of my liquid glue, magic glue, I'll make sure that everything is adhered properly. And as you can see, I only have double-sided tape and foam at the bottom of that element because I didn't want it to see on the back. Now I decided to add a little bit more double-sided tape adhesive on the sentiment as well. And this way, seriously, it really makes a difference. When all those elements are ready, I'm going to attach that beautiful heart pillow and also that teddy bear. And I really like that actually that teddy bear has a bow that matches that beautiful background paper beautifully. And that pillow is just so beautiful. If I could, I would actually have it just, yeah, in real life. It is so pretty. When this is ready, I thought something is missing. I was thinking maybe I should add some gems, but then I decided against it, and I thought, I haven't used pearls in a long time. So today is the day. I'm going to add a few pearls just to make sure that the elements match, but also it will have a little bit more interest. I really like that, and as you can see, the rocker card really works. It rocks. And now you can see the pearls I chose, and I'm going to add them at the bottom on the edge, and the card is complete. Super simple, beautiful, and please, if you like it, let me know what do you think about this. And I also wonder, have you ever created a rocker card? If you haven't, I really hope this video will inspire you to create one. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell because every Monday and Thursday I've got videos on my channel. Bye for now!